directions. Let me take with horizontal theta. This is the F2. Now work done by F2 is what? Work done by F2 is F2 into S cos theta. Why? Because you have to take the force always along the displacement only. Displacement and then force should be in the same direction. We have done this kind of simple problems also. And also I said the vector form also, whenever they have given the F bar and then S bar, then work done is equals to what will write? Work done is equals to F bar dot S bar. Dot product you have to do between them. And also how to do the dot product? You have to multiply with I and j with a j and then k with k you have to multiply and then you have to add them. That's it. If positive is there, positive, or negative is there means negative you have to take. So that and all we have done. After that we have seen some coordinates. Let me take r1 coordinate and then r2 coordinate. Along with that force as given as a vector form only. Then what you have to do? Work done is equals to F into, how to get the position vector? R2 minus R1. You have to take first of all in the vector form. By taking the vector form and then you have to just multiply in the dot product for them. Then this is about the work done for the vectors. And after that, whenever you see, we have seen the variable force also. Work done by the variable force. W is equals to, what is the formula we got? Integration of F into ds we got. Integration of F into ds. And also in the study hours also we have solved some kind of problem, that is whenever they will give F function only. F is equals to 3x plus 2, like that they will give. If sometime they have given the x function also, x function they have given like the 3x square plus 3x, like that they have given, then what you have to do? They did not give any acceleration, any force. So what you have to do? How to get the acceleration? Double differentiation. If you do the double differentiation, then you will get the acceleration. You got the acceleration. By taking that acceleration, integration of mass into acceleration is constant only, however, that into what you have to do? Dx. Otherwise directly ma into, directly you can take this function, whatever the x function they have given. At t is equals to so on second we have written. After that we have seen the graphical method problems. Whenever they have given the Fs graph is given, how to find out the work done? Area of the Fs graph you have to take. If they have given As graph, what you have to do? As graph, you have to just multiply with mass. You have to get the force from the acceleration, nothing but you have to just multiply with the mass only. So that is how you have to do the work done. Clear? This and all we have discussed in the last classes. Now, and also we have seen the positive, negative work done also. Yes, whenever the angle is acute angle, theta less than 90, at that time what we will say? Work done is positive. Why? Because both will be in the same direction or same plane. Whenever theta greater than 90 degrees, at that time what we call it as? Work done is negative. If the theta is equals to 90 degrees, then what we can say? The work done by the force is 0. Why? Because it is not causing any displacement. Any force whichever is not causing any displacement, the net displacement is 0, nothing but at that time work done by that is 0 only. You have to remember that. And also after that we have seen different cases for this. Whenever the person is lifting some mass on his head, whenever he is moving forward, what is the work done by the gravity? 0. Work done by the gravity is what? 0. Why? Because his displacement is there in the horizontal plane. Mg is acting in which direction? Downward direction. What is the angle between them? 90 degrees. So that work done will be how much? 0 we will get. And also whenever you are lifting something in the upward direction, what is the work done by you? By the person is? What is the work done by the person whenever you are lifting up? mgh plus mgh. Why? Because displacement in the upward direction. The force also applying in which direction? Upward direction only. Whenever you are lifting something in the upward direction, what is the work done by the gravity? Minus mgh. Why? Because h is there in the upward direction and then mg is there in the downward direction. Clear? This and all we have discussed in the last classes. Next, write a problem. ఇంకా అక్కంబ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಡ, ಓಕೆನಾ? Today all of problems only, different kind of problems will solve. Find work done by the tension. Find work done by the tension and by the gravity. Find work done by the tension and then by the gravity. Draw the upward machine. Upward machine you draw. Left side mass is 4 and then right side mass is 6. Upward machine, pulley block system. Left mass is 4 and then right mass is 6. You have to find out the work done by the tension and after that work done by the gravity. For that, look at this problem I will do. So, whenever they are at the same level, first of all, whenever they are at the same level, then they left. Nothing but you should not take that 6 is down and then 4 is up like that. First of all, whenever they are at the same level, they left. They left nothing but u is equals to how much? 0. At that time, automatically what happens? 6 will come down and then 4 will go up. They will make same displacement or different displacements. Same displacement. With whatever the height, it will come down. With the same height, it will also go up. You understand or not? So that they will make the same displacement. Why? Because obviously they will have same acceleration, by the way. So that acceleration is there in this direction downwards and then acceleration is there in this direction upwards. Now what is your idea? Work done by the gravity is how much? Work done by the tension is how much? Work done by the gravity is how much? Same in opposite, nothing but can I say it is 0? Same in opposite direction, nothing but you can say it is 0. Net work done is 0. Yes, sir. Work done by the gravity and then work done by the tension you are saying. Think and then tell me. There is no need to solve anything. You cannot solve this much easily and then you just think and then tell me. I am asking about the work done. What is the work done will be? Work done will be there, otherwise it will become 0. Why? Because I am saying that it will make the same displacement and then same acceleration, everything. So, can I say that the work done is 0 by the gravity? 0. Yes? No? What is the reason? Anybody saying no means what is the reason? What is the acceleration? Same acceleration. What is the displacement? Same displacement. What is the formula for that? mgh, right? mgh. But here see that masses are equal or different masses? Different masses. Then how mgh is equal? You are understanding or not? You are saying that A is MAS. Generally, the work done formula is MAS. W is equals to MAS. So, you are saying that acceleration is same and then displacement is same. So, that work done also 0 only you are saying. But I am saying it is not 0. Why? Because masses are different here. Here this will give you how much? 4 AS in the upward direction. And then this will give you what? 6 AS in the downward direction. How can you say that work done is 0? MAS only, no formula, force into displacement only. You are understanding my question, right? So, the work done by the gravity is not equals to 0. Why? Because this will give you the 6 AS and then this will give you the 4 AS. What about the work done by the tension? What is the work done by the tension? Same, otherwise it will become 0, no? Otherwise it will not 0, no? Not 0. We will try that. Let us solve and then you can confirm that. So, first of all, find out the acceleration. How to find out the acceleration? What is the formula? m2 minus m1 by m1 plus m2 into g. You forget 2 weeks before only. That was there 2 weeks before, no problem. You forget the formula. Acceleration is difference of the masses by sum of the masses into g. Tension is 2 m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into g. Now, what is the acceleration you will get? 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 plus 4 is 10 into g is how much? 10. 10 gone and then a is equals to how much? 2 meter per second square. What about the tension? Tension T is equals to what will get 2 m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into G. Then 2 into what is the mass product of the masses here? 24. That divided by 10 and then into 10. Then what will get here? 48 newtons is the tension. Same tension or different tensions? Same tension. Why? Because same string we are having. So tension is same, that is 48 newtons. Now I got the tension, I got the acceleration, okay. But I have to find out the work done, nothing but what I have to get? Displacement. I have the force here. Of course mass is there, acceleration is there, I have the force. But I should get the displacement. For that displacement, I said that initially the system is left. Left nothing but u is equals to how much? 0. Now you have to find out the displacement after t seconds. After t seconds, it is coming to s displacement and then it is going to s displacement. Then how to find out that s is equals to ut plus half at square. I am saying that displacement after t seconds. So that s is equals to ut plus half at square you have to use. What is the ut value here? 0. Then s is equals to half into what is the a value we got? 2 into t square. Then clearly I can say that s is equals to t square at whatever the seconds might be. So first of all, we'll calculate the work done by the gravity. For that, work done by the gravity, first of all I am doing about the work done by the gravity. After that we'll do the work done by the tension. Listen properly, this can ask for the theory problems also, theory questions also. So work done by the gravity for 4 kg block I will take. 4 kg block is going in which direction? Upwards direction. And then this is coming in the downward direction. I will take G direction as positive. So 6 I will take as positive and then 4 I will take as negative. So that work done by the gravity for the 4 kg nothing but what will take generally? Force into the displacement. What is the force we are getting here? Mass into acceleration only. So what is the mass into acceleration here? Mass is how much? 4 into 2. Then displacement is how much? Displacement is how much? T square we got. So that 8t square. Anything else? Here mass, we can write the MA equation also, no? MA is equals to what I can write? T minus mg. Then T is how much here? 48. And then mg is how much? 40. Then MA is equals to 8. We got the same thing only here also. Some of the people might be having that doubt only. Why? Because we are having net force here. Not only acceleration, we are having even mg also. And then tension also. By that only I am getting 8. See here, MA is equals to T minus mg. By considering that only we got this equation, no? Of course. We have written this kind of equations and then we solved. So only we are getting this kind of formula. So here, MA is equals to 8. By taking the equation also you can say that. Otherwise normally also you can say that. The work done by the gravity for the 4 kg is 8t square. Upwards nothing but what I am considering it as? Minus. So that minus 8t square. Then work done by the gravity on the 6 kg block. Again force into displacement. 6 into acceleration is how much? 2. Displacement is how much? T square. Then 12t square. Now you see that it is not 0. You understand right how it is not 0? Nothing but we got here minus 8t square. If we get plus 8t square here, then it will be 0. But here how much we got? 12t square. Nothing but still 4t square is remaining. So the work done by the gravity, for example, I will take a t is equals to 1 second. Then work done by the gravity for the 4 kg plus work done by the gravity for the 6 kg is equals to what I can write? Minus 8 into 1 square plus 12 into 1 square. Then what will you get here? 4. 4 joules is the work done. Net work done by the gravity is 4 joules at how many seconds? 1 second. Then this is about the work done by the gravity. Next you have to see about the work done by the tension. Work done by the tension. For the 4 kg block I will see. For the 4 kg block, what is the work done here? What is the tension here? T. Work done by the tension nothing but what? Tension into displacement only. Work done by the tension means you have to find out the tension into displacement. Tension is how much here? T is equals to 48. And then displacement is T square. In the upward direction nothing but minus 48t square. Work done by the tension for the 6 kg block. So tension on the 6 kg and then displacement of the 6 kg. Tension on 6 kg is how much again? 48 only. And displacement is how much? T square. Plus or minus? Plus we have to take minus 48 and then plus 48. Then how much it will be? 0. Work done by the tension is 0 here. So, if you see that it is making the equal displacements. Whenever it is making the equal displacement, at that time work done by the tension is 0 because the tension is the internal force. For example, always we will be saying that in this marker only, the intermolecules will be always, they will be colliding with each other. But is it making any displacement? If I left any block, any iron block like that there, and then in that what happening? Collisions are happening. So many collisions are happening. Otherwise, I will put an empty bottle. In that also air molecules are colliding with each other. At that time, they are making any displacement in the body? No, that is because those are internal forces. So only in the center of mass, while studying about the center of mass, we will study that center of mass position will not change due to the internal forces. It will never change due to the internal forces. Why? Because they will never cause the displacement. So, for example, I'll tell you some example that whenever I have taken a boat, on the boat, one sail is there, opposite to that one fan is there. Now fan is on. So this side sail is there. Sail is there on the boat, and then this side a very big fan is there. Turbo fan is there. Now as per your idea, what happened to the boat? As per your idea, what happened to the boat? Boat will move in which direction? Left side direction, huh? That's wrong. Why? Because, no, it will not, it will never move, that's it. It will be in rest only. Why? Because if the fan is there on the shore, if the fan is there on the shore and then if you on that, at that time it will cause the motion in the boat. But as per now, the fan is the internal to the boat only. It is the internal system to the boat. So that will never cause the motion. Why? Because conservation of momentum, whatever the air it is hitting, the same air will be hitting that also. You're understanding or not? So conservation of linear momentum only, that is. So whenever the fan is there outside, at that time it will causes the motion. Why? Because air also coming from outside only. So only it is causing the motion. If the air is only from the inside, nothing but it will never causes the motion. You understand that? So the internal force will never causes the motion of the center of mass. Otherwise it will never change the energy. But here at this case it is true. Why? Because the displacement is same. If the displacement is different, at that time the tension also will do some work. Clear? You understand, right, everything? So here whenever I have taken Atwood machine, not only this problem, any problem, Atwood machine, if you see, all the Atwood machine cases, horizontal table and then inclined plane, all this kind of Atwood machine problems, the work done by the gravity is how much? Nothing but 0. Why? Because the gravity only causing the displacement on two bodies, same displacement, same acceleration, so work done is how much? 0. But work done by the tension is equals to how much? Nothing but it is not equals to 0. Clear? Work done by the tension is 0, but the work done, I am sorry, I am saying in reverse. Work done by the gravity is not 0, work done by the tension is 0. She is disturbing me actually. That worker. I was thinking about her and then she is wiping everything like that and all, I said wrong. So presence of mind is important, example is me only. So work done by the gravity is not equals to 0, but the work done by the tension is 0. Why? Because tension is the internal force to the system. Understand, right? Everybody shall explain again, otherwise. Acceleration I got, tension I got, and I have to get the displacement. Whenever I left the system, at that time u is equals to how much? 0. Then I got the displacement s is equals to t square we got. By taking s is equals to t square, you have to find out the work done by the gravity. Work done by the gravity nothing but whatever the force it is causing into the displacement. So the force it is causing is ma only. If you find out the net force also, ma is also 8 only here. So 8 into displacement is t square. This is going in the upward direction. I am taking that displacement as negative. Anything you can take. This either this can be negative or this can be negative. No problem in that. So minus 8 t square. Then work done by the gravity on 6 kg. Again ma into s only. ma is 6 into 2 into the displacement is how much again? T square in the positive way. So that the work done, total work done at t is equals to 1 second. I got how much? Nothing but work done by the gravity 4 joules, which is not equals to 0. And work done by the tension. You are saying that both will have same tension. Why? Because same string. You are saying that both will have same displacement. Why? Because they are moving under the gravity only. So that what I can say, the work done by the tension is Ts and then Ts only. So everything is equal and opposite. So work done by the tension is 0. Work done by the intermolecular forces will be 0 only. Clear? Like that. Good morning, Dhanush. Good morning. No need to cover your eyes like this and all, like this and all. Copy that. Why everybody is so dull, so serious? See, that is finished already. You come to normal mode. Again fun mode. అంత షో అయిపోయిందా? అర్థం కాలేదు.
అంత ట్రాష్ అని చెప్పి మళ్ళీ
అంత ట్రాష్ అని చెప్పి, ఓ నా ఎమోషన్ కూడా ట్రాషా? దిస్ ఫన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ట్రాష్. సి హ్యాపీనెస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ట్రాష్. ఏం తెలియదా లేదు అసలు, మేధావి నువ్వు అసలు. జీనియస్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్. So if you find the output machine, mainly one thing you have to remember, work done by the gravity is not equals to 0. Work done by the tension is 0. Wherever if you got the output machine, don't waste time on that. Directly you solve that. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನಿಂಬಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೇನೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫ್ಯೂಚರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ? ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಗೋಡೆ ಮೇಲೆನಾ? ಅದೇ. Once I step in, history repeats. Force is changing. Force is changing from F1 to F2. F1 to F2 over a displacement. Then work done by the forces is work done by the forces. What do you have to take? F1 plus F2 into S. Otherwise F2 minus F1 into average values you have to take over the period whenever they are just changing from one value to another value. If you say that again in the angular displacement problem, I said that theta is equals to, what is the formula I said? Theta is equals to omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by 2 into t, I said. Why? Because the angular velocity was changing from omega 1 to omega 2 in how many seconds? Nothing but in t seconds. Now also the force is changing from where to where? F1 to F2. F1 to F2 nothing but always you have to take the average value only. Why? Because here there was no acceleration here. Directly displacement we got as average velocity into the time. So here also the work done is equals to, whenever the force is changing from F1 to F2, then work done is equals to what? F1 plus F2 divided by 2 into T, not T, that is S. That is the work done formula. Whenever something is changing in particular any interval, nothing but at that time always you have to take average only. That might be in kinematics or in this chapter also. Okay, so F1 plus F2 divided by 2 into S, that's the answer directly. Next problem. Next one is important. Work done in pulling the bob. Work done in pulling the bob. Okay, then phone. Work done in pulling the bob of mass of M of a simple pendulum of length L, through an angle theta with vertical, by means of a horizontal force F, then find the work done by the gravity, and work done by the horizontal force and work done by the tension. See that simple pendulum they have taken. They are pulling the simple pendulum of length how much? L they said. Bob of mass M. Initially it was there like this. Whenever they applied a horizontal force, then what happening? Nothing but it is making an angle theta with vertical. Now a force F is applied on that. Theta is angle, and then length of the pendulum is how much? Obviously L is the length of the pendulum. You have to find out the work done by the gravity, work done by the horizontal force, and work done by the tension. What is the work done by the tension? Zero. It is not causing any displacement. Only which is causing the displacement? Horizontal force. Try that. ఎంత L minus cos theta. అర్థం కాలే right? Get the answer for that. Try that. Work done, whatever it might be. Why? Because we did not discuss about the energies now. So in whichever the way you have to get the work done. Answer is mgl into 1 minus cos theta. అదే చెప్తున్నావా ఎప్పుడు నేను చెప్పిన తర్వాతనా చెప్పాలి విన్నా ఐ హర్డ్ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೀವು ಮೇಧಾವಿ అని So here first of all whenever you see the pendulum you have taken like this, some of the people might be think that if this is L means this is also L only. Yes, that is L only, but the displacement is different. So whenever I take this pen, I can show you clearly that whenever I have taken this pen was having this much of this much of length here. Whenever I pulled by means of a horizontal force, then what happening? Change same height or different heights? Height is same. Now this is here. Different height, right? But the length of the pendulum is how much? L only. At that time L only, this time also L only. But the displacement is different. What is the work done formula? Force into displacement. Whatever the force is causing the displacement, that displacement you have to take, not the length of the pendulum, not the distance that is causing. Distance is different and then displacement is different. So always you have to take work done by the displacement, work done by the force in causing the displacement. So here the length is same only, here also length is same, here also length is same. Whenever but you are bending this one in this direction, at that time what happens? It will make the displacement. So here it is making a displacement of how much height? Nothing but let me take height h. So whenever you are calculating the work done, what will take? Work done by the gravity, nothing but work done by the gravity. What is the displacement will take? Final position minus initial position only will take. So that this final position minus initial position is having how much displacement? Nothing but h displacement. Now this is L. Now you just forget about this one. This is L like that, you don't think that. So now as compared to this one, you have to take the value of this. So this is L, this is theta, means this will be what? L cos theta only, no? See that this is L and then this is theta, means this is adjacent only. L cos theta. This one will be what? L sin theta. But you only said that total was how much? Total length was how much? L. Total length was L. But now this length is how much? L cos theta, means this height will be what? Tell me. L minus L cos theta. Understand, right? This one only, no? This height. L minus L cos theta gives you this height. So that what I can write, h is equals to L minus L cos theta. So our formula is just work done by the gravity, nothing but what is the formula? Mg into gravitational force into the displacement. Displacement is how much here? H is the displacement. Now mg into what is the displacement we got? L minus L cos theta, nothing but I can take L common, 1 minus cos theta. Now whenever you see, whenever you are pulling this one in this direction, the displacement is there in which direction? Nothing but upward direction. Initially it was here and finally it is going to here, nothing but the displacement in the upward direction. But the gravity is acting in which direction? Downward direction. So what will get here? Minus mgl into 1 minus cos theta. Understand here? See this lines, nothing but I am showing this one is the initial, this one is the final, nothing but how the displacement is there in the upward direction. How it is gaining the height, nothing but in the upward direction. But the gravity is acting in which direction? Downward direction. So that only we got here minus mgl into 1 minus cos theta. That is the work done by the gravity. Anybody got this answer? Yes, anybody got that? No. Arun got that, but without calculating he got. Simply like that he said. So minus mgl into 1 minus cos theta. Next one is, next question is what I am asking? Work done by the force. For the work done by the force, what you have to do? Can you tell me now at least? There is no need to calculate anything, directly you can say the answer. Work done by the force, nothing but force into displacement. Always I said that displacement force should be in the same direction. Correct? So that force into the displacement along the force. What is the displacement along the force? L sin theta. See that force is there in this direction. Displacement along the force is what? L sin theta. So that F into L sin theta is the work done by the tension, not the tension, that is force. Next, work done by the tension is equals to how much? Means 0. Why? Because here the force is causing the displacement and also mg is causing the displacement, but the tension is not causing any displacement. It is not making the string to stretch. If it is stretching, nothing but the tension will not be there. Their elastic constants will be there. F is equals to kx you have to apply at that time. So here the tension is not causing any displacement, so it is 0. Work done by the force is F into displacement. But while calculating the work done, I said that force and displacement should be in the same direction. So force in the horizontal direction nothing but displacement also in the horizontal direction only. How much that is? L sin theta. Then work done by the gravity. This one is difficult a little bit. Why? Because you have to take the vertical displacement. Why? Because gravity is acting in which direction? Vertically downward direction. So here for that, whenever you are just applying a horizontal force, then what happening? Nothing but this whatever the bob is there, that is getting lifted in which direction? Upward direction. How much displacement? H is the displacement. Now this length is L. Obviously everybody know that this length also L only, from this only that came. So that this is L, this is theta, means only this much of length is how much? L cos theta. Total is how much? L. How much this displacement means? H is equals to L minus L cos theta. From that you have to calculate the work done by the gravity. Work done by the gravitational force and then displacement. So mgh you have to take, that is minus mgh of course. Why? Because the displacement is there in the upward direction. Bob is getting lifted in the upward direction, but mg is acting in which direction? Downward direction. Copy that. By the way, string is massless here. In the tomorrow evening study hour, we will discuss the question paper. Tomorrow evening study hour is there, no? At that time we will discuss. Next problem. ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದೆಲ್ಲ. Did I mention that? No, right? Find the work done by the gravity. Find the work done by the gravity in pulling a uniform rod of mass m and length L through an angle theta. Mass m and length L through an angle theta. This was the uniform rod. Now you are pulling this one. It is making angle theta here. Now you have to find out the work done by the gravity. The uniform rod of mass, how much they said? M. One more problem. Write one more problem. Find the work done by the gravity for a ladder of mass m and length L resting on a level floor is lifted and held against the wall at an angle theta with the floor. See that? Ladder was there horizontally before, resting on the floor. Now what they are doing? Nothing but they are just lifting the ladder and then they are just touching the wall here. It is held against the wall. So it is making how much angle? Nothing but theta with the horizontal, they said. Now you have to find out the work done to do that. I'm lifting this one, I'm lifting this marker and then putting against the wall, nothing but what is the work done by me? You have to find out that. Clear? And also here, whenever a uniform rod of massive rod here, this one is what? A massless string. Now this is a massive rod. So massive rod was there like this. Then what happened? Nothing but that is what that was lifted in this direction with an angle theta. Then you have to find out the work done by the gravity. Clear? So you have to solve these two problems. Minus mg into. Very good, Nana. Very good. mg. Very good. L by 2 will come, not L. You just try that. Yes. You just try that. I'll explain tomorrow, however.